Well, here's an exceptional 2012 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 1 LT Coupe, just 2,800 miles. What a delight this car would be to have. It's absolutely beautiful. White, Arctic white on the exterior, ebony interior, and under the hood, that 430 horsepower LS3 engine with 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Factory features include the Grand Sport package. We always remind you this includes those Z06 sized wheels, tires, brakes, wider fenders, and quarter panels. Has the Z06 style rear spoiler and front splitter, Z06 style front bumper, performance axle ratio. Has beautiful chrome wheels, dual power seats with airbags. It has a CD, XM, MP3 stereo with steering wheel controls, HID headlights, dual zone electronic climate control, fog lamps, keyless entry and start, OnStar, power windows, power locks. Well, everything on this car is power. It has cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling. Best of all, this car comes with a clean one-owner Carfax. And this 2012 Corvette Grand Sport shows, as we said, just 2,818 actual miles. And it is in outstanding condition inside and out. This car's paint is very good with a stunning shine. Factory chrome wheels are in excellent condition. And well, the interior of this Corvette, we might remind you while we tell you about the interior to check out the link right below this video, and it'll take you to detailed photographs of the car and also give you the pricing information as well. But the interior, well, the interior of this Grand Sport shows very good to excellent factory leather seats, door panels, and excellent center console and steering wheel. The car is completely factory stock. Features a corrosion-free subframe, has been fully serviced, and all instruments, gauges, lights, turn signals, brakes, engine, transmission, rear end are all in good operating conditions. We hope you never assume that this is an average condition Corvette, because here at BuyVet, we specialize in hand-picked Corvettes that are loaded with expensive factory options. Remember, we ship nationwide, less expensive than you could imagine, and we also make buying online something you can do with ease, but more importantly, with confidence. So give us a call here at buyvet.net today at 770-414-5552. Our experienced sales representatives can help you with this car, help you find any type Corvette you're looking for. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification button. You'll see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. We're buyvet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. We hope to hear from you really soon. We hope to be your ultimate Corvette buying experience.